Hi guys, my name is Maria Fraser. I'm a marine biologist, and today we're out at the Kingston seawall, Guyana, to talk about the sargassums. So in the last 10 years, sargassum has been spreading around the world and is becoming a serious issue today. And this is just because of climate change. As you can see here on the Kingston beach, there's a large mass of sargassum here. And it's also being found around the world as well. For example, Florida Beach, Barbados, Brazil, and Venezuela. Now, why is this happening? Now, the sargassum are actually seaweeds, and they belong to the brown algae family, which are called fuculates. Now, why is it that these algae float and look like a plant? Well, they're actually a plant-like structure that consists of little air pockets, as you can see here. These little bubbles or round seed-like stuff. These are actually not seeds. These are air pockets called pneumatocytes that allows them to float. All right, these fascinating seaweed or plant-like creatures act as an ecological balance for many marine organisms, such as the sea turtle. So when sea turtles are traveling from one place to the other, these seagrass or sargassum, they act as a mat for many of these marine organisms. In simple words, they act as a refugee for the organisms. So apart from that, these sargassum are also known as a jungle for marine organisms, such as shrimps, crabs, fishes, and also many plant-like or microalgae, dinoflagellates, and so forth. Now, along the coast of Guyana, you can see mangroves being stretched to the end. We don't know what is happening out there presently, but we know that sargassum is there, and it can also block a lot of marine activities from occurring. Now, as we know that mangrove, they are a host or a habitat for many marine organisms, such as the crabs, the shrimps, the fishes. Now, dead sargassum can also cause them to stop producing or stop multiplying. In simple words, it means that these sargassum block sunlight from reaching the lower parts of the water, therefore depriving of oxygen to these marine organisms, and therefore they die. So now if you've seen birds along the shoreline between the sargassum, they're simply eating the dead organisms that are present there. So in a nutshell, we know that sargassum are algae, brown algae. They have pneumatocytes that allows them to float. They are ecologically important for marine life, especially for sea turtles where they act as refuges. However, dead sargassum that has been washed ashore can cause ecological imbalances to marine life. Therefore, it means stifling the organism, depriving oxygen from reaching marine life, and therefore killing them. On the brighter side of these sargassum being washed ashore, they can be further used for fertilizers and biofuel. However, much research is needed to understand what composition is needed for plants and other organisms that requires the use of sargassum. And I think that there's a lot of young people out there who can put emphasis in their research, especially the University of Guyana students, the Ministry of Agriculture, and other private sector, how they can utilize this large abundance of sargassums on the seashore. If you want to see more contents on marine life, feel free to reach out to me, Maria Fraser, on Facebook or on Instagram. So if you want to see more videos, comment below.